Hello, teacher. Unit 4, how to start the mind in the and key details from a speech. My name is Yurley Yesenia Cruz Villamizar, University Corporation of the Caribe SECAR. Okay. What are the factors that really matter in life? Steve Jobs invited us to ask ourselves again and again if we are doing what we are truly passionate about, and if for a long time we feel that we are not doing it, then it means that we are not really living our lives. We are not following our hearts. A lot of serious and personal responsibility with the challenges. The main responsibility for everything moving forward and going will you. No one else's. Do not blame others for the responsibility for the good or the bad that happens to you, and learn to recognize that your delicious are too important to be taken lightly. Focus on what is really important. According to Hobbes, one of the great secrets of success and leadership is optimization of focus, focusing on highly relevant and critical tasks until they are completed. Getting distracted or losing you are is the worst thing to get results. We must be passionate about our dreams and our work, be delicate and persevere when reaching our objectives or goals. Never be afraid of what we can your commitment and effort that although sometimes situations without any solution are known, we must always have a possibility and persevering attitude in our daily lives to achieve our purpose. We must be creative, dynamic, and innovative to achieve everything we plan with precision and time of obtain an idea. Okay, teacher, thank you.